Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Hamid and I am from Gilgit Baltistan. I was born and raised in Baltistan, which is an area just 40 minutes away from Islamabad, Pakistan by aeroplane. I love cooking and I try new food every day. I noticed that there are hardly any authentic Balti food channel on YouTube. So I thought I'm going to start one. Today I'm going to show you how to make our famous soup, which is good for any occasion, especially in Ramadan. Every household makes it. All our food are very healthy, nutritious, and fillings. For today's dish, you will need the following ingredients. First, mix the flour with water and make into a soft dough. Then let it rest for 10 minutes and then afterwards roll it out and then cut into small strips. And that's so easy peasy lemon squeezy. Fry the chopped onions, garlic and ginger until they are light brown. Add the pieces of chickens and stir for a minute or two. Add the spices and tomatoes and stir and cook for another minute. Next, add all the chopped vegetables, stir, and then add 4 cups of water and let it boil. Cover and simmer for a medium-low flame for 8 minutes. Then add the homemade noodles and cook it for further 5 minutes. For garnish and taste, fry a quarter teaspoons of cumin seeds with some spring onion. Thank you for watching my videos. See you next time. Bye guys.
Recording.
Mabas.